More than 150 people turned out tonight at an open house in St. Lucie County, all about glioblastoma. The health department bringing together experts in cancer and research. And WPTV first reported concerns that something might be making people sick.
Megan McRoberts is live in Fort Pierce tonight with the big takeaways from the meeting. Megan.
Well, Jay, tonight you had people here who have glioblastoma. You had people who have lost loved ones to the rare brain cancer, and even people who just live in the area and who have concerns about what's going on in their hometown, wanting to speak directly to the experts. But nearly everyone I spoke to tonight also came here wanting clear information as to what the next steps are in getting answers. Over the last 3 months, I've uncovered nearly 50 cases of glioblastoma across the county over about the last 5 years. My research grabbing the attention of the health department, which is still assessing and confirming our findings.
Totally shocked and very worried.
Wendy Powell among those living with glioblastoma who came to this open house to get more answers.
I wanted to hear what they know and see if there's something that I can add too.
She wants to get to the bottom of whether or not something here made her sick, and dozens of other people. But she also learned tonight that question could take a lot of time and work to answer. Andy Reich is with the Bureau of Environmental Health.
Before we go out and do any additional testing, we're going to be looking at the data that's already available to see, if that is important for our understanding of the illnesses that are in this community.
For now, the state's cancer registry says the local number of cases is expected.
And right now, we have not discovered anything to be increasing the risk of cancer here in St. Lucie or in the community.
But since the only known cause of glioblastoma is radiation exposure, some feel environmental tests are still essential.
Oh, I think they need to do testing. There's no question on it.
The good news, health officials say they're still on top of this and testing isn't out of the question, depending on what their continued research finds.
I'm happy that they're giving it some attention and they can't just let it go.
And Brian Mast and his staff are still collecting local information so they can do their own investigation. We also know the health department is still in talks with the CDC. Reporting live tonight in St. Lucie County, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.
Megan first broke this story on March 28th and has been working to get answers for those patients and their families ever since. We made it easy for you to see a timeline of her work. It's on WPTV.com. And it starts with our very first story of concerned families who bravely came forward, and explains also how the health department took notice of Megan's reports just days later. Almost every week since, there's been an update. You can take a closer look at all of this by going to WPTV.com/glioblastoma.